to start with today's news, as brief analysis of today's news. So Supreme Court transfers to itself all the pleas that is related to same-sex marriage. So this comes under GS2 vulnerable welfare schemes for vulnerable section. All you need to know about LGBTQ rights in India related to judgments. This you can write for mains as well. So the important cases related to this issue is National Legal Service Authority versus Union of India 2014. So here the Supreme Court observed that recognition of transgender as a third gender is not a social issue or a medical issue, but that is a human right issue. Same as like Navtesh Singh Johar versus Union of India 2018, the Supreme Court decriminalized the homosexuality. So by striking section 377 of IPC, which means that is violation of fundamental rights of LGBTQ community. So these two are very important judgment. So also the Supreme Court held that Article 14 guarantees equality before law, which means it applies to all the classes of citizen. All the classes in the sense it includes to LGBTQ community also. So Supreme Court also stated that Yogya Karta principles on the application of international law in relation to the issues of sexual orientation and gender identity. Okay, so Yogya Karta principles in the sense it recognizes a freedom of a sexual orientation and gender identity as part of human rights. So there was a tussle over same-sex marriage. So also in Shafin Jahan case versus others, Supreme Court observed that the partner of a person's fundamental right and it cannot be the same-sex partner. So you need to know about this Transgender Person Protection of Rights Act 2019, which the Parliament has passed, and this has been criticized because there is no clarity about the sexual identity and gender. So next issue is remote work helped in saving jobs during COVID, says ILO report. This comes under GS2, important international institutions. So ILO, it is only tripartite of UN agency. It brings together government, employees and workers, almost of 187 member states. The main objective of ILO is to set labor standard, develop policies and devise the programs for decent work for all men and women. So this become a first affiliated specialized agency of UN in 1946. Remember, ILO headquarters is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Also, ILO previously received the Nobel Prize in 1969. So the next issue is UK ship on permanent deployment in Indo-Pacific makes first port call in India. So all you need to know about the Indo-Pacific region map also. Along with that, for prelims you need to know IORA, that is important institution, international institution. Indian Ocean Rim Association is a regional tripartite forum that gathers government representatives and other business leaders. Currently it has 23 member states. So the idea was formed by India and South Africa. So India is the origin. So this member country you need to remember for prelims. Also you need to know about the project MOUSAM, which is implemented by Ministry of Culture. So which is a nodal coordinating agency aimed to understand how the knowledge and manipulation of the monsoon winds has shaped the interaction across the Indian Ocean. That is important. So it actually this project works at two levels. It reconnect and re-establish communication between countries. At micro level, it focus on understanding the regional maritime issue. Also, you need to know Indian Ocean Commission, which is an intergovernmental organization comprised of small island states, Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion and Seychelles. So India is an observer in that case. So that's all about today's news. Have a great day. Thank you.